I've tied 2 knots in 1 baler twine, and I'm going to hang it over a broomstick and then hook it to the top. Then going to take my next broomstick, which is not here, and I am going to hang it off of that twine. As this gets longer, I can move this one up to this knot and still not lose any I have 3 bundles that I have put together. I've got 2 knots on top here, and I have 3 knots on top here. I have made the first knot, the second, right at about the same height, and the third. These are all approximately across the same direction. You can go out 10, 20, or more. They're about as long as a doorway, so you can make it about as wide as a doorway. You can use knots, get up here, get kind of bulky. They can be cut off first, or they can be cut off later. I usually don't keep them, but I've decided they wouldn't hurt being in the rug itself and would add depth and more twine. All of the knots or bundles are made in the same way. I'm dividing the first bundle in half, so I will have 6 and I have 7. So I am going to take the second bundle and divide 6 off of it. I want these about, so that's going to make a diamond. I'm going to take 1 piece from this bundle and hold it in my hand. I'm going to take it from the back area of this bundle. I'm going to get it separate, which can be a problem. And that's why I guess you want the knots out of here, because the knots make it more difficult to work. And I lost my thought. Okay, there is my knot. I'm going to bring it around to the left. I'm going to keep my thumb over it, and I'm going to bring it around again. So I have 2 twists in front. I'm going to take it to the back, and I'm going to stick it between those wraps that I've made. By leaving the knot on there, it can make it more difficult. So I have 2 wraps in front. I'm going to snug it up at approximately the level that I want this at, and then I'm going to maybe okay, this is the top one. Then I'm going to this one. So now it is 2 across. This is going to then be pulled. I will have 2 in the front, and in the back it will be crossed over. This is what gives its depth. You can always tell that is in the back. It is a very nice cross across the front. So that knot is completed. I will have 6 over here. In the next bundle, I will have 6 more. So I have 12 now. I'm going to take 1 from this bundle, and I'm going to separate it out. Going to bring it over to my left. My thumb is going to hold the bundles together, and I'm going to wrap it around again. I would prefer to keep this one on top. Then I'm going to put it in the back, and it goes so much better without the knot. Now I'm going to approximately put it in the same position as the last row of knots, and I'm going to snug up the first. Then this is in the back, and that locks it in place. The next bundle is these 6, and I will somehow divide this bundle into 6 also. I will then have 12 twine. I will take 1 again, fold it around my thumb and the bundle again. Then I will tuck it under, slip it through, snug it to where I want, and pull. As this gets down too low to where I can't see it, I can change this and move it up. Then I can see more, and the next time move it up again.